Welcome back, everybody. We're now finally starting the restoration of this Coca-Cola machine. This is an early 70s model Vendo 63. It's a V-63. It fully works. We're going to turn it on real quick to show you. Fires right up. Everything's good. Inside gets cold. A little loud on the compressor. It's all original, though. What we have an issue with is the gaskets. We're going to shut this thing off real quick. Okay, so this part one, first step is here. We're looking at these gaskets in here, and they are extremely brittle and hard. I mean, they are really, you can hear them, they're crunchy. We called several people who sell parts for these. They just don't have this size. This one is not the common size. So what we're going to have to do is pull this off. We have a little mixture here of Simple Green and water. And we're going to pull it off and clean it and soak it in there and see if it softens up this rubber a little bit. And in order to get this Vendo gasket off, there's screws behind here. You see right there's a hole. You're going to take those little screws out, and they're little Phillips screws. Little machine screws. They're all around the perimeter of the gasket underneath the lip. We're going to get all those out, pull the gasket off, and see if we can't soak it and clean it. Okay, after much struggle, we finally got the gasket out. And as you can see, it's dry rotted, it's split, it's disgusting. We're gonna try and repair it and save it. Probably put the damaged one, we chipped it right there too, which sucks. We'll probably flip it around and put that at the bottom. But this seal was so hard to get out here. And see how dirty and grimy and yucky it is. We're gonna clean all this up. We had to take off the door, and we'll show you what happened with that too. We took the door off. It's got 4 bolts on each of the spring arms. And unfortunately, one of the spring tabs broke here. So we're going to try and see if we can stretch this one or find another spring, because now it's just floppy here on the bottom. Not sure if this was even working beforehand. But we're going to soak the gasket now in some Simple Green. Let it sit and see what happens. We're on the inside now with the door gasket. It's a little bit more pliable here, but as you see, we got little clips in here. Where are they? There they are. And you're going to get back there with a flathead and just carefully go along each one and just pry out gently, and they pop right out. This whole door gasket and plastic should come off as one unit. All right, we exposed the back side of the door here. Everything looks good, and the insulation looks perfect for its age. Cannot complain about it. We're not going to change it. We're going to leave it alone. It's nice and thick. It's on there. All we're going to do is clean up the back of this area here, and you should be able to get this gasket off the door pretty easily by sliding these clips out. So that's what we're going to do, separate the gasket from the plastic liner. This gasket here is salvageable. It's pretty soft. It came off decently, so we'll wipe this down with Simple Green and everything. The insulation looks good. The back side of the door. So we'll just get a few parts for this. We need a new lock, the bin here to catch the caps. We're gonna get all that ordered in. And then we'll see you in the next video in part 2. We don't wanna make them too long. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.